So whatever, but you'll have to check. Okay, as you can see, powerful beat by this dude right here. What you can do, you can trim out the song, or you can replace the song with any YouTube free no copyright music, or you can mute the song. But this is another way that you can win that in this situation. This is a music. Okay, so this is a music, right? So you now click the download, but I've already downloaded that. Okay, so right here it says this track is registered with YouTube Content ID. Yes, you can use it, but you'll have to enter the download. You'll have to enter the license certificate. So you're gonna click download certificate, then you're gonna open this thing. Okay, so what you wanna do, you're gonna copy the thing from here. As you can see, Pixabay license certificate. So you're gonna copy that. All right, copy, and just dispute. A dispute is a based on the all right, and here click on license. Okay, in the reason, click license. I have permission or license to use a content claim in my video. Click continue. Okay, and now just paste the whole thing. Click here, tick all 3 box, legal first name and last name, and click submit. All right, so once you hit submit, as you can see, dispute submitted, and now it ups to the claimant now. All right, so without any further ado, guys, so you do remember, like 3 days ago I made this video, okay, how to remove a YouTube Content ID claim with a Pixabay license certificate. And look right here, today we are on October 3, as you can see right here. See, YouTube copyright claim released, okay, on this video right here. So now I can now monetize the video. All right, so yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys.